Do you feel sometimes tired throughout the day? That could be because your eye muscles are just fatigued and tired. So let's wake them up, and I show you some techniques to just in the middle of the day, you don't need anything but your hands to wake up your eyes and feel a little bit more refreshed. First things, we're gonna focus on this area right here. We're gonna focus on the finger and do this for 1 to 2 minutes. This will help you to focus your eyes from far and close, and will just increase and improve your vision. Secondly, we call this in my app the eye gymnastics. We're gonna move our eyes from left to right and right to left, and then up and down, and then in circles, and then the other side. The reason for this is we are barely using our eyes to the maximum. We are staring at the screen, and this peripheral area right here is not getting worked out. Therefore, we inhibit blood circulation, and we want to increase that to make you look more awake and fresh. Try it out and let me know how it works.